Welcome to a deep dive into SaleHoo, the trusted supplier directory for dropshipping and wholesale businesses. SaleHoo offers access to over 8,000 vetted suppliers across multiple niches, ensuring you find high-quality products for your e-commerce store. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, or beauty items, SaleHoo connects you with suppliers offering competitive pricing and fast shipping options. The platform also includes powerful tools like market research labs to help identify profitable products. Signing up is straightforward, and the intuitive dashboard makes navigating supplier options a breeze. With built-in filters, you can search by product category, shipping location, or supplier type, ensuring you align with your store's needs. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. SaleHoo's pricing is affordable, with options for both annual and lifetime plans. It also includes excellent customer support and an active community forum where users exchange tips and experiences. Whether you're a beginner or experienced seller, SaleHoo's combination of resources and reliability makes it a strong choice for dropshipping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more e-commerce tips and tools.